back. Virginia stuck, and there's already a big group of cannibals on here.
Already a big group
Okay,
of cannibals.
if I remember correctly, I have like shit ton of... Oh, fucking hell. Well, this is one interesting way to start an episode. See, absolutely annihilate. That dude don't even know what to do. I can shoot him.
Damn it, I missed.
He's running away. I wonder how good range the gun has. I'm not gonna try. But yeah, that's alright. We're back to Sons of the Forest. The third update came out, and we're still stuck playing, figuring out what the hell did they add in the first update.
Yep.
But by the time this video gets uploaded, the third update is probably out.
Ask that hand first, though.
I want that crossbow, and I want to see the boss. And also, we're gonna get food from there too.
Yep.
So all things considered, we're gonna survive unless the boss is gonna kill us. We're doing this without the shotgun.
We don't have the shotgun yet.
I want to make it more interesting.
Even though they did nerf the shotgun, it still hits like a fucking truck. The cannibal walks in front of you like, hey there, and then next thing you know, you send them to fucking the stratosphere, and then they're just... You don't even know if they're dead or not. They're just gone.
I still do remember when we first got our hands on the shotgun. It was just instant, like... Oh my god. Whatever you do, do not look behind you. Oh, hey, wait, you're actually the main character. Holy shit. You're actually the Omega Chat, dude. Dudes that left. We can leave them to do their own thing that they want to do. Not really my concern what they want to do. Unless they want to bring their shit over here. Hold on. Back here.
Alright, I'm gonna go into the food cave again.
Yeah, I do love when you go with the cave and your character just clips to the ground.
Oh yeah, I also remember another thing I read in the patch notes. You know how like people would do that save glitching thing where they would save, reload, and
yeah.
Yeah, they changed how that works.
I think it only works on single player. So let's see if all the food is gone.
I don't think it would be gone. I think it would still respawn.
I think it's only with the containers.
Yeah, it might be only with the containers. If not,
there's food.
You just fell down here. What the hell?
Hello, how's it hanging, guys? Having a nice little party after hours. Just coffee break. Okay, watch me open this door and the fucking things right here. Just throws me at the wall and I just die. Here we should have the blueberries that give you instant diabetes. Very healthy. You would actually know. You can't even eat any of them. Okay. You know, I missed the game. I haven't played this in a while, but I did not miss these things.
Exactly. Here it is, I think. Yep.
Crossbow. I really like the crossbow. You should totally put like a damn thing on the rail. Why is it? Is there a guy somewhere here?
Oh, hi.
Oh. And here, there's a smart fella. Bark smeller. Hey, sure. Where you at? Where did he go? Oh my god. Look at Batman.
Pretty bad.
Huh. You dead? We're just gonna bomb rush us like at any moment now.
Okay, I guess that's a Jurassic. Come on. You gotta die at some point. We all do. Come on.
Come on now. Oh no, there we go. He's dead. You don't say. Wet floor.
Yeah, yeah, I don't. You think it could be wet? I think it's pretty dry.
Yeah, it's pretty dry. My just I'm gonna dehydrate it, are you? Yeah, we got to see this again.
I like how when we first saw this, we did not understand it. Now we do.
I understand. I understand it now.
We somewhat understand it.
What's the other one? Yep. How do I?
VIP card.
Oh,
There's some
Virginia.
ammo.
It's like if the game knows that there's something coming up. Can I open the door? Hopefully I'm not gonna regret opening the door. I'm probably gonna have like an instant jump scare or something. I'm just gonna like... Now I'm pretty sure I am 99.99999 oh my god percent sure that you are the boss fight. But that the boss fight is in here. Prepare your asshole for this, because I don't know what's gonna happen. Oh. The dude.
The guy isn't in here anymore.
Yeah, he isn't here anymore. Okay, now I'm kinda scared. They changed this room. This room isn't so white anymore. Oh, that's a couple of... They're talking about... Full afternoon... yeah, I read this. That dude's still alive. Not anymore. Oh my god, like Superman punch. Yeah, kinda weird, the dude isn't here anymore. Come on, off with your head, off with your head. Come on, please.
Imagine if you fell into the water.
Oh my god. Did they add anything new in this room? Oh, the dress. Isn't the dress here?
Well, this is here.
Oh, okay. But this dude is live. Not anymore.
I didn't even give him a fucking chance.
What the hell? Who the hell is that? What the fuck? Who the hell? What the hell?
Okay. That's the second one. What the fuck?
Oh, is that?
It's two.
It's that's Barbara, right? That oh shit. It's a Buffins. Oh shit! Oh god, they're really angry. Holy shit! He does some serious damage. Okay. Just die! Holy shit! Oh, yep. A taster. God, she's big. God, Andrew Tate Simulator. Oh, fuck.
Dead.
Oh, shit. Alright, 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 alright. Kill this bitch.
Fucking Christ. We went full ass United States on the pistol. Gave him an average high school experience.
Oh, okay. Other things what I was expecting, I didn't expect this. I thought it was gonna be like a big, like, mutant or something we're gonna find. It's just two...
Apparently interesting.
It's just the Buffins. So yeah, that gives us some confirmation about what happened to the Buffins. They turned into mutants, but Virginia is different. Why did she survive? What did Edward Bufton and Barbara Bufton, what did they turn into? Those. Oh shit. Get this shit off. Get this. Oh, how do I get this off? Oh, it's F. What?
I used up all my ammo on the like.
Well, tough. How much ammo do I have left? 39 or nothing. Alright, so that was the boss fight. Can I say that I'm a little disappointed? That's interesting.
Is this game supposed to be hard? Cause like I put the shit on like the hardest shit you could put it on, and yet here we are, just slaughtering these fuckers.
Yep. Come on. Yeah, they need to. I don't know. This seems it's on hard. Was there any harder difficulty?
It was hard. Like all these enemies are on the hardest difficulty and have the highest chance for tough armor. And the fact that they're so much of a pushover now.
They suck ass.
Either we've gotten so good at this game that it's bullshitting.
I think the problem is that it's way too easy to get good weapons. Like for example the modern axe. You can get this thing day one, and it can take you all the way to the end.
I mean that's the same thing with the forest. You could get the fucking modern axe day one without any problem.
Yeah, well, at least in that game you had to go down the caves.
Yeah, I mean you had to go down the caves to get any item.
And also you can get the gun also, and there's bullets, but we already haven't used the gun. Seems like now, and we already have like how many shots?
I don't know.
So hey guys, that was oh shit. That was the boss fight we waited for a couple weeks. Now watch it not be here.
What?
I mean a little bit exploration never killed anyone, right? Right? Oh wait, Columbus. Oh shit, we don't talk about that.
I was gonna say, who we talking about here? The natives, or we're gonna talk about people who went there?
I mean, there is some. It's probably I don't know. Elon Musk's secret island. I think it's here.
Binoculars.
Oh shit. Well, I was right. And there's the camouflage suit. Sorry, my bad. I wonder if it's gonna be long weather seasons. Could it be like day 20 is when it turns to summer? Right, because if that's the case, then fuck me.
This is what's gonna probably end up happening, honestly. Probably day 20. So that's set to realistic, so we don't need to sit here for 3 fucking months.
Fucking hell.
That's what. That would be the galactic chat difficulty.
The new Mr. Beast challenge. Surviving up.
I bought this remote island off the coast of Canada.
What?
And I put 100 people on the island.
That seems like a great idea. There's a cannibals. No balls. Here we go, trying to get that shotty. There we go. Dramatic music. Hello, you there.
I'll be taking this. Thank you very much. Alright, I'll see you later.
Time to add some attachments. If we run, we get to do more stuff without wasting so much storage. Space. So it's the same goddamn thing. Two different words. Space is space, and also space is space. But also space is a space bar, so you have three spaces. You have space bar, you have space, and then you have space.
Oh yeah?
Fuck.
Which there is the correct there?
Yeah, right.
Depends on all about the context.
Also left. Left.
Oh,
Left,
or
left.
better yet. Oh, caps lock's on.
Yeah.
Or
Lead here. Is it lead or lead? You say lead. Lead is an or, but lead is also like lead the body, but lead you also. Oh no, fuck. Oh my goodness, you're floating. What the hell? So 2-2.
they're all 2, 2, and 2.
2, 2, and 2.
Yep.
Oh my god.
One's a number, 2 is for grammatical shit.
Fucking hell, man. Oh, the dress or the... Did you get the dress from the bunker?
Yeah.
Oh my balls. Jesus Christ, that was like lag spike of the century. Which one will she look better or cuter on? What? What? Where is she? There's... Oh my god, on my screen I see 3 different Virginians. Which one is the real one? There's one to our camp, there's one behind there, there's one next to you. Oh shit, oh my god.
We now have a community violation real quick.
Okay, that looks pretty nice. Oh, let's see about the dress. Oh, okay. I don't think I can look at that. Nah, it's fine.
Where did that shirt go?
Oh, you lied. Probably deleted off the existence.
So I don't want to go back and grab it.
Oh, that's funny. That's fun. I mean, you had it at one point or another. Doesn't matter. Now, which one looks better on her? I think the dress is pretty cute. I'm gonna keep that. Is it most practical during winter? No. This thing hasn't killed anything like that.
Would be.
Oh, look at that! Yeah, here we go. And I have quick slots. I mean, quick buttons. What do you wanna call it? I just press a button on my keyboard and I start recording. I should have done this like ages ago, but I was too lazy. But I don't know why I should do lazy, just because it's easier this way. Yes, it's a house, and we made it, and I still like how she like didn't get close to us at all. At the moment, the house is like has a roof on it. Like then she decided like, yeah, sure.
Women. Just a glass all you hear is women. God, you remember that creepy evil laugh I did when I made an IED and Daisy just completely just went full sinister. Just
Oh my god, I'm so happy that I actually was recording. It's just going through stuff, alright? I know it's up. It's been a hard 10 days here, but come on, Calvin. Work.
Not. Wait, is it still day 10? Oh my god, it's still day 10. Holy shit.
Get sticks. I need sticks. Good boy, Calvin. Oh god.
He asked if I was playing Sons of the Forest, so just yeah.
The third.
The third idiot returns.
Yep. Well, Virginia agrees. She just like thumbs up. Hello, Calvin. Sticks. Yes.
I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna build this house. Fuck.
House. Look at this. Can I run through this? No, I cannot. Oh, yes, 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 yes. The house is coming together. We don't even have a roof. Hello, Virginia. Yeah, it's a really nice house. I agree. Do you guys agree? If you guys agree that this house is great, amazing, leave a thumbs up. Like Virginia right there. Do a Kelvin. Become a deaf and thumbs up. Oh shit, hello. I will marry you once it's summer. And just in case if it's also a baby Bambi, I don't want to kill it. On my screen it looks pretty small. I think it's actually pretty average.
Uh-oh.
Oh shit.
I crashed the game.
No. The fuck.
What was that? Why did I get hurt?
Holy shit, is it? Holy shit, it's actually... It's holy fuck. It's no longer winter.
Winter for me still.
It's no longer winter for us.
There's still snow around, like... It's kind of weird.
There's
Some
just
spot.
snow right here.
Holy fuck, I forgot how nice the... I've been stuck seeing the snow for so long, I got numb to how good the game looks outside of winter. Are you hungry? Are you thirsty?
Both.
Oh, you need to eat, you're dying.
Canned foods.
Yes, I had a feeling this is exactly what this shit is good for. I know for a fact. Knew it. God, your eyes are red.
Where did
God,
you get
God, you look like the dude from KFC, Colonel Sanders or whatever his name is. Oh God. Oh God. Ow. Well, I'm no longer a meatball head. Who am I? What's my character? Oh. Oh shit. What character role am I?
I don't. Definitely a man.
You're the main character.
Oh my god, I switched roles with Titan. I'm the main character now. Like, yeah, I can't see shit in there. Hold on. Yeah, actually, I can see down the barrel. That's cool. Yes. Very cool. Do a walk around.
Improvise.
Adapt and overcome. What is my man thinking?
On rifle.
It's again thunderstorming, like lightning hitting on top of the mountain. You guys not seen that?
It's
These birds are weird.
Also, I saw
what?
that you went to the, you know, the bells in the,
what? Help? Question mark?
what?
I got killed.
You hungry? thirsty?
No. I'm not hungry, nor thirsty, or tired. This guy killed.
This is a. Well, watch me die here too. This is like a death barrier here or something. The rock of death.
The rock of death.
It's the rock of death. What the fuck? How did I get killed by this?
Just died.
You're an old man. You probably had a fucking random heart attack. About someone doing the stuff on Rec Room and all that. It would have been really funny.
Fuck.
I have a feeling someone would have to
Yes.
mention it to them at some point. 'Cause
Yes.
I think we're the first people to actually do the what's in the
Well,
closet.
if you look at any of the if you look in any of the waiting rooms that are there, you get more armor.
Hey, I want to shake your hand.
Here, hold on.
I'm gonna continue looking at these songs because, like, okay, so that's seriously a song. Where?
Oh shit.
No worries,
Oh,
guys.
They got clothes.
Hey,
Wow,
how would you
big
like
fan
a
of-
crossbow bolt in your
Don't worry, guys. I'm a maniac with a pistol.
Oh wow, he died from one hit. God.
I think that might be a display thing. Have you restarted the computer to see if that works?
I was too lazy to, but I'm trying to do that in a minute.
Oh man,
Close it off.
time to see how to rob all your supplies and take over this area. Don't mind me. What do you guys have? Where's all the
It's
men?
a sturdy house, but is it sturdy enough to survive a fight?
Man, you can live a peaceful life. Just leave me be. Let me steal your stuff.
I have an idea. All right. I have an idea for the. Okay, so for the character, right? I'm gonna make one more map. Even though we said that the basement was gonna be the last one, I'm gonna make one more map. But it's gonna be a map that is not in the house.
Alright.
It's gonna be what is it? A mental health facility.
Oh. Oh, you should have done that. You should have done that. You should have done that. You shouldn't have done that.
It's gonna be our own version of the way. But it's gonna be a really small room with just a bed and a TV. That's it. There's nothing to it, and you have to sit there for a while.
You guys hear the gunshot?
I don't know.
No, just come into the
Yeah,
wall, just
well-
so casual walk around. Oh, Mr. Candable. Have you heard of the French? No? Well, let me give you a little, oh god, what's the word? You just nah, you don't know about French, but let me tell you about the French, alright? Back in the day, they used to do some stuff like that. There we go. You can actually run while having the binoculars. What does the binoculars even look like when you use them? Oh shit. Yeah, run around, spin circles and look up and down and shit. Oh my god! Holy shit, he's having a seizure.
Help!
Oh. Oh fuck!
That
Actually,
means we can prepare for the next winter.
it's gonna 11. It took 11 days for to turn. Oh, so
So, winters take 10 days.
yeah, at least with this. Oh, this better. Okay, good. The winter lasts for 10 days. On the 11th day, decided to say.
Oh, she's following us with the oh my, she is following us. Holy shit.
Oh my god, we got the squad.
We got the whole fucking gang here. We are ready to.
We got the.
Like, why
we got,
is there...
oh my gosh.
There's one.
It's
It's
Colonel
Boogie.
Sanders. We got the,
Okay.
got the homeless Colonel Sanders. We got the meatball man.
Meatball.
I don't know
That's
about
not it.
yeah,
That's
you have to
that's
give me
not
a
even
name.
meatball. That's not meatball.
That's a nutsack.
What
It's
type
a-
of
it's a-
Chinese name?
Yeah, I was gonna say it's a Asian name.
Department Security. Designation. I don't know how to say that. Is Department Assistant. Grade C. Code 117245. Clearance 2. And they're a high security risk.
I mean, I see why. I mean, he's an asshole.
Alright.
Hey, man. Did anyone tell you that you need a spotter? You need a spotter for doing this stuff, man. You remember? You remember the rules, right? You remember gym class in like 5th grade? Like when you guys are lifting weights, they tell you, oh my fucking god.
Skill issues.
Okay, what's over here? What the
Literally, quite literally a
Oh,
skill
those are-
issue.
Those are little children.
I'm pretty sure there's absolutely nothing down there.
You know what we do to children?
Oh my god.
Sorry,
Ow,
I-
there go my nutsacks.
Ah,
Oh my god.
Right to me immediately. Yeah.
Racist.
Wait,
yeah,
we
right-
can't put on the tracksuit?
Go on. No, we can't.
Burn, bitch. Fucking burn.
Well, then what's the point of it? Is it only...
Fuck you.
It's clothing for Virginia.
Yeah, it's
Where's
clothing
the
for me.
chainsaw at again?
Oh my god.
It's deeper in the case. Or deeper in.
Deep.
Ooh,
Born
I
over
remember. There's a key card somewhere in here that we need.
Yep.
There's something here. Oh,
That
hello.
You didn't need the key card before, but now you do.
Sorry about that, sir.
Even though
Oh shit, he's slapping the shit out of the mutant.
I still find it funny when me and Cole went down here for the first time ever. We made sure we grabbed everything, so we didn't even know we needed that key card or not. We just grabbed it.
Oh, I never grabbed that key card. I never.
Ow,
and
that
I
hurt.
completed the game.
Oh shit, I just...
Used no exploits, none of that. I opened all the doors with all the key cards that I had.
Fucking epilepsy warning.
Get back here, you little shit! Quit running away, you little fuck!
Burn it! Fucking combat booty cheeks. Ass cheeks. Ow. I don't care, I'm losing. Oh, it's fun. Hell yeah.
But I wish I could just keep playing it.
We have the,
Wait, where's the guitar?
we have,
Oh, right here.
Daniel, the male stripper.
How well does the guitar do as a weapon?
It sucks ass. The real way how to deal with babies. Oh, that's still alive.
They also changed how flashlights work. They will now replace the batteries sooner than later.
Nice. I'm gonna do a little bit of a grave robbing. So like, what the hell not? I mean, the opportunity presents itself.
Hey,
I
look.
realized only in this area you can hear a certain bird chirping, but it sounds creepy as shit.
This place looks familiar.
Yeah. I know this place is a bald spot,
Calvin,
but now
look
it's
away.
really
We're
a bald
grave
spot.
robbing. We're grave robbing right now.
A little interesting thing. Me and Call built a base here before.
There we
Our
go.
first ever playthrough, this is where our base was.
Hello, sirs. I bet you guys haven't seen the sunlight since well, who knows?
Yeah, who knows? Whoa, do you need that fresh vitamin D every once in a while, you know? You gotta just... It's out in the sun, I guess.
You gotta sit here and wonder. They could have a little diggable Easter egg somewhere here, and we wouldn't know.
Yeah, they could've.
Just
There's a dude bro in the trees. To the left. I'm
Shut up!
sorry, a lady. My bad. I'm gonna get cancelled now because I misgendered out murdering cannibal. Where'd she go? Where'd she go? I wanna dig up it in here. I don't know why I just had this urge to just cut heads off. Hey ma'am. Miss. Eat. There we go.
Well, I'm gonna go back. So I could.
I wanna head back to the base because I need to go clean up the house a little bit. I'm gonna clean up the kitchen, do the dishes a
Oh,
little bit
no.
more.
I think my game just crashed.
Oh shit. Skill issue.
I haven't saved at all.
Oh yeah, you're just running in place. It's like legs are moving, the man is not.
Oh yeah, my shit definitely crashed. Whatever, that's fine.
Dang.
I saved myself 3 bullets.
Oh my god.
No, 4. Because I haven't saved since then.
Wow. Hell, there's a dude bro in the trees. I wanna decapitate them. I don't know why, this is just the earth to decapitate. Oh, it's a red cannibal. Well, you already know what's up. You already know what's up. Oh shit. Oh shit, nice shirt, man. Where'd you get that?
To you shooting that panther.
That man is okay, you, red man.
The server is an asshole. Fuck you. You are a bitch.
My only question is why the hell Calvin isn't in a tuxedo?
They're an
It's
asshole.
glorious. It's glorious. I did it.
Is this the man that just took like 3 shots to the head and walked off like it was absolutely... It is. Nice shirt, man. Where'd you get that? I want that.
I like how I just have Calvin having a radio and I'm just walking back to base.
You don't run away from Carl, you dumbass. No one runs from away from Carl. There we go. Oh.
Going absolute
Hello, sir.
ballistics.
You also wanna like just... Oh, okay. So you definitely wanna die. All right, all right. I mean, it's your own fault. Like certified skills. Well, thank you for the skin pouch. Thank you. Yeah.
Man hit Calvin once. Completely removed his head.
What do you mean? I mean, Calvin is right here with me.
Calvin's over here.
No, he's right here. Calvin, man, what are you doing? He's carrying invisible... Oh shit, alright, he got the... Okay. Man, I don't know about y'all, I think Calvin is using a lag switch. Report him.
I don't know why Calvin doesn't defend himself.
He's a bit brain dead.